At Blackline Safety, protecting workers around the globe and getting them home safe to their families each night is priority number one. For years, Blackline has been at the forefront of personal safety and technology, and we continue to lead the way with the most advanced safety wearables and gas detection devices in the industry. Today, I'll be taking you through the highlights and benefits of Blackline's G7 EXO, the world's only direct-to-cloud area monitor. Until now, area monitors have suffered from short battery life, have been difficult to configure and set up, are difficult and time-consuming to connect to a network, or have just fallen short in important performance areas. Speed and efficiency are at the forefront of G7 EXO's technology, so you can focus on the task at hand rather than losing time setting it up. G7 EXO is rugged and built for extremes. It is quick and easy to set up, connecting in minutes wherever it's placed. And it has a 100-day battery life, but can also run indefinitely with a sustained power source like its optional solar panel. G7 EXO gives you poison-immune combustible gas area monitoring, real-time visibility of worksite safety, and integrated cellular or satellite connectivity. Let me walk you through some of the functionality of the G7 EXO area gas monitor. Simple placement and hassle-free deployment are the cornerstones of G7 EXO. With a stainless steel base plate that supports several mounting options and a cast aluminum frame with rubber bumpers, G7 EXO is built for the harshest conditions. There is no more fumbling with equipment, and deployment takes just 3 minutes with a touch of a button. Now, the setup wizard runs and automatically connects to the cloud. The 4-color LCD screen displays gas levels, alarms, connectivity status, and messages, all easily navigated with a simple 3-button keypad. Located here are G7 EXO's 360-degree air diffusion vents. High visibility, multicolored lights, and audible alarms notify you about triggers to gas detection thresholds that you designate and are customizable to fit your specific needs. The Sure Safe light tells you the monitor status. Solid green means you're connected to the Blackline cloud, while the blue live response light signifies help is on the way. In the event of an emergency, the red SOS latch is easily accessible and allows area personnel to instantly call for assistance no matter what the incident is. And when you need other non-emergency communications with your team, G7 EXO is equipped with a speaker and microphone. G7 EXO has an optional push-to-talk functionality, which functions similarly to a walkie-talkie and is available when using cellular networks. But unlike traditional walkie-talkies, there is no limited transmission range, and individuals can talk to one another regardless of where they are in the world. Integrated into every G7 EXO and making it even more versatile are the A/B interface ports and power port. These switches can be used to activate additional accessories like local external sirens and strobes, trigger site-wide alarms, open and close access gates, and turn on ventilation fans. Port A is activated when high gas alarms are triggered. Port B activates when low gas alarm is triggered. And the power port supports 2 power accessories, including the optional solar panel power, and can be hardwired into other systems in the hazardous locations. As you can see, G7 EXO leaves nothing to question. And with over 20 gas sensors, options, and thousands of configurations, G7 EXO has you covered in any situation. And for even more versatility and additional ways to help keep your team safe, G7 EXO comes with a full array of accessories to support your safety program, like its satellite module, pump module, standard battery pack, fast battery charger, solar panel battery charger, and pre-calibrated cartridges. And mounting options such as standoff base, survey tripod, universal mount to attach anywhere in your facility. No other monitoring solution delivers quite like the G7 EXO. There's no more troubleshooting mesh or Wi-Fi networks since you are automatically connected to the cloud via cellular or satellite. There's simply no question that your team is connected and safe. Your data is streaming and working for you. Your overall safety ecosystem is comprehensive and robust. It is the new benchmark for area monitoring with access to your data whenever and wherever you need it through Blackline Live, our world-leading safety productivity cloud software. Cloud hosted with 99.9% uptime, Blackline Live enables you to monitor the safety of your teams in real time, while equipping users with compliance reporting and comprehensive configuration management of G7 EXOs in the field. Users can also quickly view the safety status of any team member equipped with a personal G7 from any internet-connected device. Blackline Live provides real-time alert management, device configuration tools that allow you to remotely update any connected device in the field, a real-time compliance dashboard, and tailored emergency response protocols. Blackline Live also comes with Blackline Analytics to deliver a complete view of your entire fleet of gas detection in seamlessly organized series of pre-configured and interactive reports. It provides you with the most complete real-world view of locations of your G7 devices, both wearables and area monitors, delivering an overview of your facilities and workers to easily determine which areas are productive and which may be potentially hazardous. All data is uploaded directly into the platform in a series of maps, graphs, and tables to help you derive important insights about your business, measure KPIs, drive safety and productivity, and power-informed decision-making. So what does this all mean? Connectivity, reporting, automation, robust features, and capabilities. It all comes down to this: safety. And supporting G7 EXO's capabilities, our Safety Operations Center and monitoring partners provide 24/7 live safety monitoring and support. Unlike traditional call centers that often split their focus between telemarketing and IT support, our service is staffed with professionally trained monitoring agents 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Our team utilizes Blackline Live, providing them with critical insights into emergency alerts in real time. They manage safety and gas detection alerts from receipt through to resolution by following your tailored and documented emergency response protocols. And if an emergency takes place, our SOC is empowered to dispatch local emergency services, with 99% of alerts responded to in under a minute. Blackline's SOC facilitates worry-free monitoring services and support so that your employees can take comfort knowing that you have their back. G7 EXO, reliable connectivity, extreme durability, and ultimate versatility. For the peace of mind you and your team need to get the job done and get everyone home safely at the end of the day. I hope you learned a little bit about the G7 EXO Area Monitor. To hear more about our G7 connected safety products and services, and how easily they integrate with your connected operation, don't hesitate to contact us to talk about your specific use cases.